Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Hemen. This is Hemen.website YouTube channel, and you are watching Python tutorial from Zero to Hero part 6. And in this video, I am going to teach you variables in Python. But before defining variable, I want to give you some examples so that you will understand everything. You will get everything by yourself. What is Cristiano full name? Maybe most of you don't know that, but Cristiano full name is Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. Okay, this is Cristiano full name. Now I want to print this name 3 times. So what do we have to do? We have to type print Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. This is one, and again print Cristiano, okay, and again print Cristiano Ronaldo, okay, I forgot Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. Okay, let's run the code and Python will show Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro 3 times. But there is something wrong with this. This is a really long, and I cannot type it every time I need. I cannot type all of it every time I need. That's why Python invented something named variables. Variables helps you to save, to store anything in a desired name. For example, your best friend is John. So who is John? He is your best friend. He is, for example, your neighbor. So when somebody says John, you know he means or she means your best friend. Variables is really like that. So a variable, what does a variable do? A variable store anything in a desired name. For example, now I want to store Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro in a simple name. For example, I want to say CR7. Everyone know Cristiano Ronaldo names is CR7. It's his title. So we say CR7 equals to Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. Okay? Now Python knows that CR7 is Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. Simply. For example, and to test your code, just print type CR7. Let's run the code, and output is Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. So now I told Python that CR7 is Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, and I don't need to type this long name every time I need it. Okay, so let's print it 3 times. Just print CR7. Print CR7. Let's run the code again, and output is simply shown. So let me remind you again, a variable is something that a variable helps you to store everything in a desired name. For example, numbers, P numbers is 3.14.16 and. Every time I need P, so I have to type this long number. But I can tell Python that store this number in a variable name. So what do I have to do? P, a desired name. So I want to call it P equals to 3.14. Now just type print P. I'm sorry. Print P, and let's run the code. As you can see, everything is simple, and this way you can store everything you want in a desired name. That is variables. Simply. So to define a variable in Python, you just need to type your desired name. For example, anything one. You can name your variable anything, okay? I will talk about variable name rules later. Just in this video, I want to talk about how to define a variable in Python. So just that, type your variable names and equals to sign and your value. Your value can be numbers, can be strings, can be named, and everything you want. Until next video and next tutorial, good luck.